hours, 5 hours. So I would say in this one,
No,
we
I
could say
think
this.
the financial impact you can see in the Hazab what is mentioned there.
The job severity is, I mean, people that we cannot take. That we
No,
cannot take.
that is for HSC. I'm talking about financially salary considered 2, right?
Financial is two. Financial is
Yeah,
two.
okay, yeah,
So two is here is less than 1 million.
yeah.
It
I
is
think,
correct.
yeah, maybe we can use it. Yeah, two.
Yeah, 1 million is okay. Two. If you see two guys here is what? Minor. Minor is medium.
I know.
Yeah, two is a minor, and minor is a medium priority for the alarm, right? So
Okay.
we will take here medium. The response time is what? 30 minutes. Immediate, prompt, or not urgent, right?
Not-
So more than 30 minutes.
Not urgent.
Okay.
No, go back to AGS matrix, Chairman. I
Yeah,
think.
yes, I will show. I will
Yeah,
show
yeah.
AGS.
Okay, it's already happened.
No, just a minute. AGS matrix is this one.
Not urgent. Try 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, more than 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes.
Yeah.
It's more than 30 minutes because you need to restart. Yeah.
Other checklists. There's one T-bar shared by Mr. Gu. You can go to the chat box.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, please. Give me some time.
Also,
So here we are saying 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes is not urgent, right? So not urgent and with medium is P3 or general. So low priority, right, guys?
yeah.
So this is the P3, and this is the HMA, high managed alarm. So you have to do the suitable action MA on this alarm. This has to be maintained regularly. This has to be tested. And what is the set point of this alarm? Guys, what is the set point? 20.
20. Sorry, yeah.
So message is high pressure at slack catcher, tripping the, initiating the hips, right?
Initiating the hips.
Yeah.
Excuse me, are you sure about this 20 bar? 20 what? How's 20 bar? This like catcher, yes?
Yes, slack catcher.
Ah, it's very low. How is this hip strip at 20 bar?
Yeah, 20 bars.
How is this?
The design pressure is
Sure.
24 point what?